But yeah, I got the tail lights blacked out and a little blacked out cover. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right in the gooch. But today we're on our way to the muffler shop to go install the new cutouts. So we're about to be doing that good stuff. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little before and after with the cutouts and all that other good shit. This video isn't gonna be that long because there ain't no reason for it to be that long. But I'm gonna show y'all the first mod that we're doing to the GT, the cutouts, where they're gonna be open. No, I'm gonna start off with them closed, then I'm gonna open them up with the co-star. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we gonna turn up. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, stay tuned.
Years later.
It's all sucked up. I ran this like this because I didn't want it to hang down, so I just put it through that. Okay, for sure. Oh yeah, let's hear it, man. I want to hear this motherfucker.
What's poppin'? So this is the next day. I'm gonna be doing a cold start with the cutouts open. Y'all gonna be able to hear what it sound like and stuff. Hey, they're pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. Good investment. Well worth all the money and all the other good stuff. This is gonna be the coast guard with them open. It's a little loud. It's not too loud. Like my other car, that should be screaming like ah! You know, it's not too loud. About a little bit newer years, the car screams when you want it to. So like I said, the cutouts is pretty dope. This is the button. Okay, now y'all hear it? And now I'm gonna close it. You don't hear it. It's completely quiet. These are so dope to me. It's funny because I think the other night we're downtown and stuff, and the police I had them open, and I was getting on it, and then the police was right behind me, and he was like, creeping up on me. I looked in my rearview mirror. I was like, oh shit. And I closed it. And then when we was getting on the freeway, I started speeding up, and he didn't hear nothing. So after that, he's like, you could tell like he was kind of lost, and then he just instantly sped up away, passed me up hella quick. I'm like, you fucking pussy ass. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck 12, nigga. But yeah, like I said, this was the next day of the install and stuff. That was the cold start. You know, it's not too bad. It sounds pretty good. For me, it's raining outside. Okay, turn around. Yeah, it's not the easiest driving a manual with it and trying to record at the same time. Let me make sure I got this camera dialed in for this way. Okay. All right. So cutouts close. Zoom in a little bit. This is what the cutouts close. can see my RPMs. Have the window cracked a little bit. I'm gonna do a little rev for y'all. Windows cracked, open. All you hear is the engine. It's 5K. Go this way. And I'm gonna do like slow first gear, rev up, high rev. You know, you can hear me. You can still hear me talking and shit. You know, it's not that loud. All right, once we get to the stop sign, put it in first gear. So I'll zoom in. Open the cutouts. Do a little high rev. It sounds pretty good for just cutouts. It's not a cat delete. It's just cutouts. So basically, it's a muffler delete. I'm gonna turn around. You know, car's coming, do a little rev for y'all. Pop a little crackling and all that other good stuff. It's not extremely loud. You know, they sound pretty good. So I do got some goodies coming on its way. Motherfucker spinning and I'm doing this shit with one hand. Comment below what mod do y'all want me to do next. Don't say nothing extremely like supercharge it. Yeah, I know I'm a supercharger, I'm a pro charger. I'm trying to decide between pro charger and supercharge, but I know that's going to be one of the last things that I do. But this wraps up the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. And oh, I got the cutouts on eBay for those of you that want cutouts and thinking about getting cutouts on your car. See, look, now close. Completely quiet now. Can't hear shit. But like I said, I got the cutouts on eBay. I'm gonna take a screenshot and put it in this video somewhere so that you guys are gonna be able to see the cutouts, or I'm gonna put a link in the description, something like that. But that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit that subscribe button right in the gooch. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.
I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4J. I just pulled on me a A. Real nigga.